The Evolution of Microscopy, From Lenses to GenAI. A swirling cosmic backdrop transitions into an ancient workshop where early scientists examine glass lenses. The scene shifts to a futuristic lab, showcasing advanced GenAI-powered microscopes. From the simplest glass lenses to the power of artificial intelligence, the evolution of microscopy is a story of relentless human curiosity, a journey that has transformed how we see the world and ourselves. The scene shows Antony van Leeuwenhoek peering into a handcrafted microscope. Close-up visuals reveal the first observations of microorganisms, animalcules swimming in a droplet of water. In the 1600s, pioneers like Antony van Leeuwenhoek unlocked a hidden universe. With their handcrafted lenses, they revealed life at a scale never seen before. Microscopy had begun, and with it, a new era of scientific discovery. Over the next centuries, innovations in optics and light revolutionized our understanding of biology. Microscopy helped us decipher the structure of cells, bacteria, and viruses, paving the way for life-saving medical advancements. A dramatic animation of an electron beam scanning a sample. The screen splits to show detailed, high-resolution images of cell structures and nanomaterials. Then came the electron microscope. By harnessing electron beams instead of light, we pierced deeper into the microcosmos. For the first time, scientists could explore the intricate architecture of cells, viruses, and even individual atoms. A sleek, futuristic lab where researchers use GenAI-powered microscopes. The interface displays real-time data analysis, predictive models, and dynamic 3D visualizations of biological systems. Today, we stand at the frontier of a new revolution, GenAI microscopy. By merging advanced imaging with the computational power of artificial intelligence, we don't just observe the microscopic world, we understand it in ways previously unimaginable. Real-world applications unfold, diagnosing diseases, designing nanomaterials, and exploring uncharted biological territories. AI-generated simulations show molecular interactions in real time. GenAI-powered microscopes are transforming fields like healthcare, nanotechnology, and environmental science. They analyze complex biological systems in real time, offering insights that drive groundbreaking discoveries and innovations. A montage of students and researchers working with GenAI microscopes at AET AI Academy. The scene ends with a futuristic cityscape, symbolizing a brighter, more informed future. At AET AI Academy, we explore not just the tools, but the possibilities. Join us to uncover the microscopic wonders of our world and drive innovation with the latest GenAI technologies. Together, we'll shape the future of science. AET AI Academy. Discover the unseen. This script offers a comprehensive and engaging look at the evolution of microscopy, ending with a strong call to action for learners and innovators. Let me know if you'd like to refine any section.